So now we're going to be doing native VLAN mismatching. So what native VLAN mismatching fundamentally is that, as mismatching suggests, the two devices have a separate have different native VLANs. So I'm not sure if this works on Packet Tracer. I never really tried it. It works on GNS3 usually. But one thing I want to quickly tell you is that always never set your default native VLAN to 1. Sorry, your native VLAN to 1, because default set to VLAN 1 always in every single device. Well, Cisco ones I know. I'm not sure every single device, but in Cisco devices, every single time your native VLAN's default set to 1. So never set it to 1. Always change it to whatever it is. Just take VLAN 1 away from your mind. So both of these are in VLAN 10 currently. So the native VLAN should be VLAN 1. So I'm going to quickly change that. So this PC right here is going to have a native VLAN of VLAN 10. Let's just quickly make a note of it. And this one is going to have a native VLAN of VLAN 100. Let's just make it easier to see. Oh, I accidentally did that. Yeah. So let's get into this part. First, we're going to have to go into the interfaces. First, Ethernet 0/1. Let's start off easy. We'll do. Actually, first I'll put them both into the same native VLAN so you can see that they can still communicate with the ping command. So I'll do that first, then change their VLANs. So we're going to do switch port access native VLAN 10. Why isn't that command working? Yeah, there seems to be an issue. And probably the wrong command. It's been a while since I've done this. So quickly give me a minute. I'm going to find out what I did wrong here. Then I'll come back and explain the rest. So basically what happened was I realized my mistake. It was a very simple one and a very dumb one. Yeah, I accidentally forgot that you meant to put trunk inside it since we're using trunking. So we're going to be switch port trunk native VLAN 10. This is going to be set to 10. Next we're going to be doing interfaced fast Ethernet 0/2. Switch port trunk native VLAN 100. Oops, sorry, they're meant to be 10 as well. I'll go back and change that. My typing is absolutely horrible today. Switch port trunk native VLAN 10. So if I go on to PC 0 and ping PC 1 with, let's just say, 3 packets, obvious they're both working. Yeah. Now let's change PC 1 to VLAN 100. This should be interesting. So interfaced fast Ethernet 0/2. We're going to be changing this to trunking native VLAN 100. Now what should happen is, yeah, it took a bit of time for it to, change the VLAN. You got a bunch of protocols working behind the scenes as well. So what should happen is now when I ping this, theoretically, oh, it's still working. That's strange. Did STP still not configure itself? Well, I haven't done this on Packet Tracer, so still wondering why it's not working. On GNS3, usually what happens is it's going to be giving you this first, then it's going to be doing the after a minute or two it gives you the STP. Then usually that means then that is recognized that VLAN 100 has been changed. Nothing's changed. Let's try this again. Nope, it's still working somehow. So, I guess this is probably like a fault with Packet Tracer. I don't know. It works on GNS3, I'm telling you that. I can show you that. So unfortunately I haven't been able to show you the native VLAN mismatch successfully, but I showed you how to set it up, and this is how it's going to work in an actual environment. This entire code is what you need to do.